In the world of investments, few opportunities are as enticing and rewarding as real estate. But when you think about entering this field, one common misconception often arises: I need a lot of money to start. What if I told you that's not necessarily true? Let's uncover the secrets to starting your journey in real estate investing, even if your wallet is a little light. Introduction: Imagine standing on the edge of a vast opportunity, seeing the potential for financial freedom and security, yet feeling held back by a lack of funds. That's where many aspiring real estate investors find themselves. But what if that barrier isn't as solid as it seems? What if the door to real estate success could be unlocked with creativity, knowledge, and determination? By the end of this video, you'll discover strategies that can get you started in real estate investing with little to no money. Let's dive in. The power of knowledge and networking. Real estate investing isn't just about money, it's about understanding the market and building the right connections. Start by learning everything you can about the real estate industry. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and follow experienced investors online. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to recognize opportunities when they arise. Networking is your next essential step. Attend local real estate meetups or join online forums. Build relationships with real estate agents, brokers, contractors, and other investors. Sometimes, who you know can be just as valuable as what you know. Leveraging other people's money. OPM, one of the most effective ways to invest in real estate with little to no money is by using other people's money. This could mean finding private lenders, partnering with other investors, or even using seller financing. Private lenders are individuals willing to lend money for real estate deals in exchange for interest. Approach them with a clear plan, showcasing how their investment will generate returns. Similarly, partnering with experienced investors can be a win-win situation. They provide the capital, while you bring your time, effort, and knowledge to make the deal successful. Seller financing is another creative strategy. In this arrangement, the seller acts as the lender, allowing you to pay for the property over time instead of requiring a lump sum upfront. This can be particularly useful if the seller is motivated and willing to negotiate terms. Wholesaling. The no-money-down strategy. Wholesaling is an excellent entry point into real estate investing with little to no money. Here's how it works: you find a property under market value, get it under contract, and then assign the contract to another buyer for a fee. Essentially, you're acting as a middleman. The key is to find motivated sellers and have a network of potential buyers ready. Wholesaling requires hustle, negotiation skills, and market knowledge. It's not a passive income strategy, but it can be a powerful way to build capital quickly. House hacking. House hacking involves buying a property, living in one part of it, and renting out the rest. This could be a duplex, triplex, or even a single-family home with extra rooms. The rental income you generate can help cover your mortgage and other expenses, allowing you to live essentially for free while building equity. FHA loans are a popular option for house hacking because they require as little as 3.5% down. If you don't have the money for the down payment, consider using gift funds from family or grants from first-time homebuyer programs. Lease options. A lease option allows you to control a property without actually owning it. You lease a property with the option to buy it later at a predetermined price. This strategy gives you time to save up for the purchase or find another buyer willing to pay more than the agreed-upon price, allowing you to profit from the difference. Negotiating favorable terms with the property owner is critical. They're often more willing to consider this arrangement if their property has been sitting on the market for a while. Real estate crowdfunding. If you're looking for a truly hands-off approach, consider real estate crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. Some platforms have low minimum investment requirements, making it accessible even if you have limited funds. While crowdfunding won't give you direct ownership or control of a property, it's an excellent way to start building your investment portfolio and learning the ropes. Sweat equity. Sometimes, your time and effort can substitute for money. This is known as sweat equity. For example, you could offer to help a property owner renovate or manage their property in exchange for a share of the profits. Alternatively, you might find a property that needs significant repairs, negotiate a deal with the seller, and handle the renovations yourself. Sweat equity requires hard work and a willingness to get your hands dirty, but it's a fantastic way to build experience and gain a foothold in the industry.